guys, we're here at Verdori Fire Department, Latham, New York, right behind the Albany International Airport. We are rehabbing 4-inch floor drains in 6 bays of their firehouse. We'll take a walk through and just give you an overview of the project. We have floor drains right here. They run in series from the floor troughs going down the hallway here. They tie into the house trap. We're rehabbing today cast iron drain lines. There's a 4-inch and there's 2 different sets of lines. We got backside access for laterals for the bathroom that tie into the house trap before leaving the building. Laundry right here we'll be reinstating using an IMS cutter. This is the secondary line here, another second house trap. It runs down there where the maxi miller is. We're gonna be rehabbing it here, comes to this vertical stack. They're just finishing up the clean out process and the descaling using the maxi millers and our Vermeer vac trailer. We'll touch base back in a little bit and see how they're doing. All right, we just shot the liner from over there at door number 6, shot it 50 foot over to here. As you can see down here, the liner is hanging into the vertical stack right here. And once they pull in or blow in the cow tube, that liner will shrink back a little bit because this is a transition. It's a 4x6 transition. And we should be able to hit our mark right on. Hey guys, thanks for watching the videos. Please like, share, subscribe for more content and other videos that we have coming out.